everyone, welcome back to our Tip Top English Tips. So today I'm going to explain the difference between oversee and overlook.
Oh, Tip Top's got the tips.
So let me show you the difference between oversee and overlook. That's easier than you think. You see, as the director of Tip Top English, I should oversee my team. I should supervise them and check what they do. Whereas overlook is a bit different. You see, if I'm reading a book and I miss some information, then I overlook the information. Maybe I haven't read it, I don't know, it's overlooked. So I hope you understood the difference between oversee and overlook. So if you like it, thumbs up, subscribe, and see you hopefully soon. Bye!
Oh, Tip Top, oh, Tip Top, oh, Tip Top's got the tips.